In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rating fields in Ninja Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in WordPress and how to place a rating option right into your form so visitors can quickly score their experience with stars or a similar icon. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard and that Ninja Forms is installed and active. We'll start in the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Ninja Forms and select Forms. Here, you can open an existing form you want to enhance or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Either way is fine. The process is the same once you're inside the form builder. If your interface includes a steps panel or on-screen checklist, click it to follow along with the guidance as you work. It can be helpful for keeping track, but you can proceed directly in the builder as well. Inside the builder, you'll see the list of available fields on the left and your form canvas on the right. Look for the rating field, sometimes shown as star rating, in the field list. If you have a search bar, type rating to find it quickly. Drag the rating field onto your form and drop it where it makes the most sense, often near feedback or testimonial questions or just before a longer comment box. With the field selected, use the settings panel to make it clear and user-friendly. Give it a straightforward label like "Rate your experience" so visitors immediately know what to do. Add a short help or description line if needed, such as 5 stars else excellent. If you want the rating to be mandatory, toggle the required option. Many setups also let you choose the number of icons in the scale, the icon style, and a default value. Keep the scale familiar. 5 icons is common, so people can rate quickly without thinking too hard. Consider accessibility as well. Concise labels and descriptions help screen readers, and a required indicator prevents missed responses. Once you're satisfied with placement and settings, save the form. It's a good idea to preview it and click through the rating yourself. Try selecting different values to confirm the field responds smoothly and that your labels and descriptions read well. If anything looks off, jump back in and adjust the label, help text or required setting. That's it. You've navigated to Ninja Forms, opened your form, and added a clean, easy-to-use rating field. Save your work, preview to confirm, and you're ready to collect quick, meaningful feedback from your visitors.